Let's read Erik the Lone Wolf. High in the mountains, far, far away, lived Erik the wolf cub and the rest of the wolf pack. The wolf pack did everything together, which could be a bit frustrating for a young cub. Erik, don't climb that high. Erik, hold your sister's paw. Erik, don't go so fast. Erik, the mountains are full of danger. That's why the pack always sticks together. Erik felt more and more crowded by the pack and its silly rules. Erik had had enough. That's it, he muttered to himself. I'm going to be a lone wolf. And when no one was looking, he walked away. Further and further, until the wolf pack was just a speck on the mountainside. Now there was nothing to stop Erik from having fun. He climbed higher than he had ever climbed. He wobbled further than he had ever wobbled. Ahoo! And he skied faster than he had ever skied. I'm a lone wolf, shouted Erik. Nothing can stop me now. Erik was right. Nothing could stop him as he thundered down the slope, too fast to read the sign that said, Danger. It was too late. Erik fell further and further until, oomph, he landed far below, at the very bottom of the icy crevasse. Never mind, said Erik. Lone wolves can get themselves out of trouble, but the ice was slippy, and the cliff walls were very high, even for a big wolf cub. So he howled for help. Ahoo! But Erik was all alone. He waited and waited and waited. As night began to fall, Erik started to worry about all the scary things that might live in the mountains. Then he heard a noise. It was the wolf pack. Don't worry, Erik, they called. We are coming. Erik, hold your sister's paw, they shouted, lowering the smallest cub down into the crevasse. Erik had never been happier to do as he was told. Finally back at the top, Erik found himself in the middle of the pack's big furry hug. The wolf pack always sticks together, they said. I'm not sure I want to be a lone wolf anymore, whispered Erik that night. Even big wolves need the pack sometimes, his family agreed. After his adventure, Eric knew he would never feel crowded by the pack again. Well, almost never. Good night. Sweet dreams.